quick review on a product that I've been using, and I'm putting another one on this side. It's called the Leak Defender, and you can see here it's replaces the cap on your fuel tank. Both of these tanks on this KW that I'm running, you can see it already on that side over there. The tank is still dirty, but it quit leaking. It fixed that. The threads are just, it's hard to tell, but you can kind of see there, the threads are just wore plumb out on these tanks. It's been leaking like crazy. And I didn't want to buy a new tank, so I got this product. It's called the Leak Defender, and it's from Heavy Truck Solutions. And they're pretty awesome. I mean, it ain't cheap. It's like 250 bucks, I think. It comes with everything you need. Comes with 3 set screws. It even comes with a wrench and a little piece here that locks it in the tank. Alright, so what it does, it puts a new base on the tank. And no matter how crappy the threads are, these things will go on there. Like, these threads are shot, they'll still bite on there. You put it as tight as you can, hand-wise. Then you're going to use an oil filter wrench. Got the wrench on there. You tighten it down as tight as you can. There's an O-ring inside there. You want it to seal down on that. Alright, I've got it as tight as I can get it with that filter wrench. Got it a little dirty. It's a pretty awesomely made product. It's made in America, which is always awesome. And I was a machinist for a few years before I came back to farming. And I gotta say, the machine quality is really good on these things for what it is. So I wanted to show it because they've definitely done a good job making these things. Now it comes with these set screws. It's got 3 spots for them here. You get it as tight as you possibly can with the filter wrench. Then you put these set screws in there, and that, like, just, I mean, it really locks it down in place here. Get pretty tight. But Heavy Truck Solutions makes these. I think it may just be heavytrucksolutions.com, but you can just Google Heavy Truck Solutions and find them. And I just wanted to promote that product because, man, it's an awesome product. I've been really impressed, like I said, with that one over there. Been running it a little while now, and it hadn't leaked. Saved me from having to buy tanks because the threads were shot on both tanks. That one over there was actually even worse than this one. So put this last set screw in right here. But especially with like farmers or something, you know, if you got a semi and maybe your tanks are shot on the end there, and you really don't want to buy a whole new tank, this thing is the way to go. I mean, I've been very impressed with this. All right, and then it's got the chain on the cap here. I'm gonna put this on there. All right, I got the chain part down in there. Got it all on. I mean, check out the quality of this stuff is awesome. Leak Defender, trademark. Like I said, the machining, I'm impressed, man. They did a really good job with this. This thing is pretty sweet looking. I think it looks good on the tank too. The threads are good and tight. Get it tight, and she seals. It's got an O-ring inside the cap too. When we get done, I'll clean these tanks off and make it look a lot better. But that's the Leak Defender. It works. I can tell you that it does. The threads on that side were absolutely shot, and I still got it to bite on there, tighten down. These were not quite as bad as that side, but they were still in pretty bad shape. But Leak Defender, made in America. Get them from Heavy Truck Solutions. Appreciate you guys watching. Support American made. That's what we want to support, and just wanted to promote what they made, how good of a product it is. I was really impressed with it. So everybody go check them out. And like I say, if you appreciate my videos, I appreciate a like, share, subscribe, any of that. I'm gonna keep trying to make good videos and just keep doing what you guys like to see. So I appreciate it, guys. Y'all have a good one.